Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on Bitget, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. First, I recommend using the link in the video description below or the QR code on your screen. By using this link, you'll get a 20% discount on transaction fees for both spot and futures markets on Bitget. When you click the link, the referral code will be automatically filled in. If you don't use the link, the referral code field will be empty, but you can still get the discount by manually entering the code from the video description. Now, let's get started with the registration process. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate with an email address. First, enter your email in the designated field, then create a password that meets the shown criteria. Once your password meets all requirements, you'll see check marks indicating the criteria have been met. After entering your details, check the box to agree to the terms and click Create Account. Then, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot. You'll receive a verification email. Get the code from your email and enter it on the site to finish your registration. Even though your account is created, you still need to verify your identity before you can start trading. Click Verify Now to begin. Identity verification has 3 steps. Prepare a government-issued document like your ID card, driver's license, or passport. Confirm your identity by letting Bitget validate your face. Wait about 60 minutes for verification. Let's start by clicking on Verify. First, select the nationality of your ID card. Next, choose the type of ID you have. Finally, select the device you want to use for verification with Bitget. For a smoother experience, it's easier to verify your identity using a mobile phone than a PC. Click on Mobile Verification. Next, use your mobile phone to scan the QR code and proceed with the verification process. During the verification process, you need to upload picture files of your ID card and complete facial recognition by taking a selfie video. Make sure your face is within the frame and follow the system's instructions to move your head and face as required. Then, wait for Bitget to review your submission. If you do not pass, Bitget will tell you the reason and ask you to verify again. Please be patient, as this process is very important. Once you've completed Level 1 identity verification, log back into the website to check the details. Next, you can enhance the security of your account. First, go to your profile by clicking on Profile icon. Then go to the Security section. You can activate security measures like two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator or SMS. It's a good idea to set these up immediately to further secure your account. There are also advanced security functions that you can add later. And that's it. You've successfully registered and secured your account on Bitget, and you're ready to start trading securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.